Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your charging port or your water resistant. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something on my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have, and take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and try to pry the dirt out. The toothbrush is the best tool to clean your connector. Okay, that's it. Or no, wait. Yes, that's it. It's just metal objects, or yes, it's just metal objects into the connector. It's not a dirt. Okay, dirt was this. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.